Here we see Santee's swivel with two prism pleated cubes. The pleat is a pocket in each cube. We're going to use these pockets to attach our Santee swivel. We begin with the pockets so that you can simply see that they allow you to insert something so that it is standing up. You want it in this position, not this position, to be for the easier insertion. Same thing for both cubes. We're going to begin by positioning Santee swivel on there and bending it around the cube, making a slight bend around the cube. You want to get it in as tightly as possible. You then take an edge, insert one edge into one side, insert another edge into the other side, and work the edges all the way in. Repeat the process with the other cube. Bend around first, work the edges in. You want to locate the outside edge on the thing. That's where the pocket is. We have now two cubes connected with Santee's swivel. This is not the most secure way to do this. There is a better way. The problem with this is they pull apart quite easily. Let's take a look at an alternative way. This time, instead of having the pockets in the downward position, we're going to have them in a horizontal position. We begin by inserting one edge into the pocket on the horizontal position. We come over to the other side, bend the edge down, and we might want to crease sharply there. Then we take this edge and we round it. We bring it up and we curve it around into the pocket. We repeat the process with the other cube. Remember, we're going horizontal into the pocket. Bend it around, bend your edges around, and it gets very tricky, but bend the edges into the pocket. Working slowly and carefully and trying to get as much as you can into the pocket. Now the cube is much more secure.